Okay, hello everyone. This is my vlog. My name is Eugene M. Alonso. And I'm here at the gym, working at the gym. Right now, I'm so sorry for my speaking English, but I'm improve every day. Right now, this is a junior basketball. This is my my duty until February 28. Oh, because okay, I spend my okay. I spend my last minute because the new agency will take over this place. So I still have a duty until February 28. Okay. Right now, hello everyone. Oh, vlog. Upload sa YouTube. Whoa. This is new junior. Oh, the new generation of juniors basketball. Thank you so much.